Hello friends, welcome again. I will be talking about the IAS essay. These essays are a professional kind of essay and you can develop your ideas in many ways, and if you once acquire such kind of writing attitude for a good essay, you can use to many other competition examinations. But for UPSC examination, this essay will be a dream for you. And for cracking the IAS examination, if you can achieve out of 250 marks, 200 marks, you can achieve even IAS examination. This will make a huge difference for your life. For me, I thought that I started writing in Bengali, and I used to write lot of essays in Bengalis in different small little magazines. Actually, for writing in little magazines can help you a lot, that to develop your ideas and give a new essays, new topic you can write. So by that way, you can have a very good writing skill, and that helps in UPSC examination. In UPSC 250 hours, already I have told there will be two essays. These two essays, there will be two sections, section A and section B, and each essay will be 1000 words. 3 hours in total, 90 minutes you have to devote for each essay. Now this essay in 2020 Civil Service Examination, the essays are like this. There will be two sections like this. So these two sections here, you can see the section A is basically a kind of theme based essay, and section B is a kind of known topic. See, there are a lot of optionals in that case. Out of 4 essays, you have to write only one. And out of this section B, there will be 1. So, you have a lot of optionals are there. So, you need not worry for that. Once you get this paper, sit for the IAS examination. So, section A, suppose here is a question. Life is long journey between human being and being human. So, this is a very interesting topic. So, you have to take 2-3 minutes to understand and formalize your ideas, how you will go with this. At the beginning, introduction point, you can write the long journey between human being. A human being means on this, we are all people. Now, a people grows, but really a person, how he can be human, means he can be a proper social person. So you have to elaborate this idea within 1000 words, within 90 minutes. Just that you have to practice. There will be a lot of this kind of ideas you can get. So at the beginning, this may be a quote for some great person. So you can find out this person, the great person. If you can remember, it is okay. If you don't remember, you need not worry for that. But you have to go up on elaborating these issues. The second point is, mindful manifesto is the catalyst of a tranquil self. So if you feel it is very difficult, don't go for this. You immediately shift to another one. You read the second one, third one. Ships do not sink because of water around them. Ships sink because of water that gets into them. So this is the thing. The ship and water, the relationship between the thing, you may think that water may be the enemy of ship, or as well as water may be the friend of ship. When ship is very big, then water is expanded outside. But if ship is leaked, it will come in. The same way, the person who is very big person, you may compare, and the vices are around, all the vices are around the human being. So if a vice enter into a great man, then the great man sinks. The same way, you can think in this way, this kind of some issues. Then simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. The fourth essay is, so there are a lot of alternatives. So simplicity is the ultimate sophistication. In my earlier video, I have already talked about it. But you can elaborate this, you can think and practice it. Now section B is quite easier, you may think of it. Because, देखिए, 5th number question, culture is what we are. Civilization is what we have. So this is a fantastic idea. The same way, in the Google and many sources, you can try to practice this examination. Last 5 years examination, if you see, there will be no repetition of these essays, but topics. But there will be many ideas around you of great sayings of great people like Mahatma Gandhi, like Jawaharlal Nehru, then Vivekananda and many other people, Einstein and many other people, Nelson Mandela and other people. So the great quotes of great people you can read and you can elaborate their thinking. Now, the sixth question is, there can be no social justice without economic prosperity, but economic prosperity without social justice is meaningless. It's a kind of B.R. Ambedkar probably is saying this kind of thing, or somebody, I don't know exactly, but this goes to the issue of social justice and economic prosperity. So this kind of issue, you can, even if you don't know the course, but after your rigorous practice, you can know that actually who has said and what kind of things are around it. Then in that way you can go for that. Then the seventh essay is, patriarchy is the least noticed yet the most significant structure of social inequality. So these are the other thoughts. So if you feel it is difficult, don't go for this. You have to take only one essay out of it. Now, eighth is technology as the silent factor in international relations. So this is also very relevant and beautiful topic. Maybe you may be thinking it's maybe a very easier topic, because technology has made this modern civilization complete changed. It is a lot of international relations have got changed. So you can have lot of, out of studying the general studies, you may find this may be also very easier. So as you go on practicing and practicing, this essay paper will be very easy for you. You have to write very pointed manner, in a logical manner, and also in a sequence. And your idea should flow in a like a river, beautiful river, and it will be very artful way you have to elaborate. By this way, I believe that by practicing, many people they ignore. In civil servant aspirants, mostly they ignore it. But never ignore this paper. This will make a huge difference. And after writing ability, great writing ability, you will be able to crack the civil service. I believe it is very easier and it will make a huge difference for your life. Thank you very much. And I always believe you practice, go on practicing these issues. Thank you.